This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 48 of our Roth. Before we jump into week 48, I do want to announce there will be a change coming to the channel. Since we're almost approaching a year on doing the covered calls, I'm going to start doing the covered calls once a month instead of weekly. So let's jump into our Roth. And looking at the account total is currently at $12,825.91. Today is November 22nd, and that account balance has been updated to $12,825.91. So going down the line here, Wish is dropped to its 52-week low, and below that is at 414. This is a stock I do want to go ahead and get out with, so I'm going to come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. And looking at Wish is currently at 415. I think I'm going to go ahead and sell the 450 strike price. So you find the one you want, come over, click on trade. And looking at this, we're selling Wish, expiration 26th of November, 450 strike price. It is a call option, sell to open. I am going to go ahead and try to get this sold. So I'm going to sell 5 quantity, and this will be a market order. So I'll switch this to market, review, and submit this order. Next we have Corsair Gaming. Gonna come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. Corsair Gaming is a monthly stock. I think I'm gonna sell the $25 strike price. It's currently at $23.96. You find the one you want, come over, click trade. Next we have Nano Dimensions. I'm going to go to the options chain. Nano is currently at 460. I'm going to go ahead and sell the $5 strike price. Next we have Orbital Energy. This is one I want to go ahead and get rid of also. So I'm going to come down, click the options chain. And looking at the options chain, I'm going to sell the 250 strike price. That's the first one on here. Find the one you want, come over, click trade. Looking at Orbital Energy, expiration 17th of December, 250 strike price. It is a call option, sell to open. Will be a quantity of 6. This is one I'm selling pretty, almost half of the cost base. I think our cost base was like $4 and something. So once this gets sold, then I'll look at doing a recovery on any loss we might have occurred buying this one. Next up we have Zynga. We'll come over to the options chain. Zynga is currently at $6.44. I'm going to go ahead and sell the $7 strike price. Looking at our cash on hand, we currently have $5,439.63. I came here to the options chain looking at Tattooed Chef. I'm going to sell the $15.50 strike price put option. I'm going to come over and click on trade. I am going to do a quantity of 3 at 1,500. That'll be 4,500. I'll review and submit this order. So jump in here to history for this week. We got 1601 for Tattooed Chef, 35 cents for the Zynga, 170 for Orbital Energy. This is one that this total will be added up when, if these go ahead and sell, we can see our gain lost on it. 1135 for Nano, 60.35 Corsair Gaming, and 2671 for Wish. So looking at those totals for this week, it does come out to a total of $284.82. So again, not another bad week. And just as a reminder, I will be switching to once a month, and I'll just be reviewing those weeks throughout that month, starting in December. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.